Thank you for joining us. This video is part of a series to help you set up and use your Revitive Circulation Booster. This video shows you the patented IsoRocker and how to get it rocking. Turn the device over so you can see both the IsoRocker and the IsoRocker disabler stand. The IsoRocker is a patented system that allows Revitive to rock your feet, replicating heel-toe exercises. When the IsoRocker feature is disabled by opening the IsoRocker disabler stand, Revitive will be on an inclined and will not rock during use. For maximum benefit, we always recommend using the IsoRocker by leaving the IsoRocker disabler closed. This allows your ankle joint to move freely and replicate heel-toe raises. To use the IsoRocker, keep turning up the intensity until you feel strong leg muscle stimulation and the device starts to rock. It's not the user making the device rock, it will occur automatically once you've achieved strong leg muscle stimulation. When your calf muscles contract, your toes naturally point downwards and your heels raise, rocking the device forward. When the stimulation stops, your leg muscles relax and the device rocks backwards again. Make sure you sit so that your legs make a right angle bend at the knee and keep turning the intensity level up towards its maximum 99. But stop when you feel a strong leg muscle contraction. Remember, to experience significant relief, you need to use Revitive daily for 30 to 60 minutes, for 6 to 8 weeks. As you can see, using the patented IsoRocker is easy to use. For more help on this and other topics, please visit revitive.com/learn.